Now what I did was touch up the paint around there where it was from the shelf, and when he had to patch that hole, and then I patched over here, painted where he patched there, and underneath where the cabinet was on this side, I painted that so it'll all be clean and neat. Now I'm waiting for that to dry. Once that dries, then I'm gonna start on the paper that goes up on the top and down here. I'm gonna start on the paper, and then I'm gonna drill a hole and put my knob on. So that top part will be finished. Now it'll just be about this bottom shelf, and if I'm gonna stain it or paint it. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do. But what I did have my husband do for me this weekend is cut me some boards to put around like a backsplash around here, so I have it all around. I need to attach it. That is all the way across the back. Excuse me. It's all the way across the back. And then I have the one here on the side. Right here. So it's all the way around. So I just have to attach it and caulk it. Then I got to figure out if I'm going to paint this or if I'm going to stain it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. So we're still working on it. Hopefully today I see a spot on the ceiling that I missed. Just to look around, I do have the new sheetrock anchors to put in those 3 holes to put my brush thing back up on my broom thing back on the wall. Have that. The door is painted, trim is painted. Your girl is on a roll. So I'm really taking my time to get this done. One, because your girl ain't young as she used to be, like I said. And so I'm doing it bit by bit, and then I go chill for the rest of the day. I get the paint off of me, and then I go and do whatever else I have planned to do. Like I do have a film I need to edit, but anyway. But I'm getting it done. I have all my glass containers. I haven't labeled them yet because I'm still painting and stuff in here. But it's coming along nicely. And I'm really pleased. I'm really pleased so far. I'm really pleased. So as soon as this paint dries in here, I'll give it about 20 minutes, 30 minutes for it to dry, and then we'll start on the wallpaper. Alright, I've started putting up the paper. You've seen how paper gets put up, so I'm going to finish this. And when it's all finished, I'll be back. Alright, I just have to do some trimming now. The paper is up. Give you the biggest hint in the world, which you probably already know. Put the paper up before the shelves. My paper came in after the shelves. So I had to go ahead and put the shelves up. And now, that was a beast, putting that paper up after the shelves. Put it up before the shelves. So now I'm going to put paper here. And well, I don't know if I'm going to do that. I'm going to put paper here, back here on this wall, especially in the middle where you can see the wall. But I think that looks neat, y'all. Look. Cabinet. The paper's up. I still don't know if I'm going to paint that or stain it. I still need to attach it to the wall, so I'm making good progress. Yeah, that paper whooped my butt. And the paint is dry on the wall, so the walls look very neat. I'm really pleased with how it's going so far. So the next step will be, I guess while I have the paper in here, I need to go ahead and paper the shelves in this cabinet. I'm going to paper that top shelf up there and then this bottom shelf. So that's going to be wrapped on top and bottom with marble. And then this bottom shelf will have marble on it too. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to sit my old behind down for the day. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.